Well, welcome to my test. I would like to make videos, tutorials for you guys, and since I have my iPad now, I am testing it out. The first thing I'd like for us to go over is dividing fractions by whole numbers. So imagine it's the morning after your birthday. You wake up and you have 2/5 of your cake left. Your mom tells you, hey, you have 4 friends coming over. You need to make sure that there is enough cake for them equally to share. Side question, how much cake did you eat at your birthday party yesterday? That's right, 3/5 of the cake. Whew, I bet you had a stomachache. Anyway, let's make this smaller so that we can draw our model underneath. First, I'm going to draw my fraction bar. This represents my whole, and in this problem, it represents my whole cake. The cake is split into 5 pieces. Oh, and I got 1 too many. So let's erase. Since I ate 3 of those 5 parts yesterday, I only have 2 of those 5 parts left over for today. Unfortunately, I have to figure out how to share those between my 4 friends. Using a model and my fraction bar, I'm going to split that into 4 equal pieces. Now, bear with me, everyone. I know it isn't equal, but in time I will get better at drawing on the iPad. So, let us look at how many pieces we have left. Because we cut our whole into more pieces, we now have a total of 20 pieces if we had our whole cake. Currently, we only have 8/20 left. I need to share those 8/20 between my 4 friends. So I am going to give each friend 1, 2 pieces of cake, or 2/20 of my cake, which is coincidentally my answer. Now, I can reduce this to 1/10 if I want to, but if I keep it in 2/20, it most accurately represents my model. So that is where I'm going to keep it for now. Let's try another one. Suppose that you had a whole bag of pretzels when you left for school today. You ate 1/8 of that bag of pretzels. So, how many eighths do you have left? Not that many. If you ate 1/8 of your bag of pretzels before school and it's now during school, you'll have 7/8 left. You have 3 friends that really, really love pretzels, and you want to share those pretzels with them. How are we going to split it up? Well, first, I need to use my fraction bar, which I'm so excited about because I just found out I got to use color. So there's my representation, or my model, that represents my entire bag of pretzels, or my whole. I ate 1/8 of those bags, of that bag of pretzels. So now I'm going to cut it up into 8 pieces. Let's count just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. So I ate 1/8. That means I have 7/8 left. And I need to cut that 7/8 into 3 parts so that I can hand it out to my pals, my 3 best friends. So let's cut that into groups or 3 more pieces. And now each group, or each what was previously an eighth, has now been split into 3 parts. So I have 3 groups, 8 groups of 3, or in a multiplication example, 24 pieces total. My whole is cut into 24 pieces. Now, I have to split these remaining pieces up amongst my 3 friends. Well, I easily see that I can stretch there. Let's count how many pieces each person, or how many 24ths each person gets. Each person, if I were to share my bag of pretzels with them, would get 7 24ths of my bag. Thank you guys for hanging with me.